uMbuthuma bekangekho egamini. Actually le game beyinkulu for uMbuthuma. Beya too soft for le game. So uMbuthuma bekumele substituteile maybe half time. Afake umremi ukuthi akhona ukcapitalize. uMbuthuma beya too soft for le game leyo, but it's a loss. Le 3 point abayithathile so ibuyisa ngabanye abantu Saturday siyabuya futhi sikhona lana.
So are you gonna blame this lose entirely on Mbuthuma, member? Don't you think as a team we didn't press well, you know? When we got our chances, we couldn't bury them. I mean, it's not only Mbuthuma.
No, I'm not blaming uMbuthuma. uMbuthuma udlalile, yes. But into engishoyo bafo ukuthi beyangekho too hard, beka soft for the game. Uyabona? Bekumele azama ukuthi apress afake umoya naye njengamanye ama player, but angisho ukuthi wrong. Yes. Udlalile naye uMbuthuma. Sonke ama player wonke adlalile ku right. So i-loss 2-1, 3 points so ibuyisa Saturday.
First goal Sundowns came from that incident akati Thomas Wanganye. Uyibonile, member, what do you think of that incident?
Incident bafu. I can't say anything.
Uyibona?
Angibonanga.
Bonga sa.
Angibonanga.
Uyibona? All right.
I'm gonna watch my highlights ngibone kwenzakaleni.
All right. I know it was an average performance, member, but do you have your man of the match on the Orlando Pirates side?
The man of the match maybe ngiyipha ulona bafu uSibelebele.